Hello. Very quick demonstration for you. Gonna put my specs on. Can't see otherwise. Okay, so if you've been promised something by God, right? This is like your plate, okay? It doesn't look like a plate. There we go. It really doesn't, but it is. For this purpose. It's a plate, okay? Now, something that the Lord showed me, okay, is that when we want something like so bad, and you know, we've been told it's gonna come, and we're waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting and we're waiting. It's like, oh, come on, where is it? It's not fair. Understand this, okay? If you've got like this and this and these and then this and then this and then this and then this and this, which is your promise, okay? This is gonna be so big and so heavy, you know, and if we had the other bits as well, okay, you know, come on. You can't cope with it. It's too heavy. And if you try walking that from one side of the room to the other, to the table, to where you've got to sit down and eat, you're not going to be able to cope with it. You get me? All of this stuff is just going to fall down. You won't be able to deal with it. So what God showed me is that you need to be prepared to be able to carry the plate, to be able to deal with what it is that you have on the plate. Understand? Nod at me. Say yes, I understand. So if your promise is delayed for a while and it's taking longer than you thought for it to come, it could be because God is preparing you, building up your strength, your character traits that you need to be able to have to actually maintain the promise once it's been given to you. Because maintenance is just as important as being gifted with the promise. So preparation and maintenance are also as important as being given the gift that you've been told is going to be given. So don't lose heart. Think positive, because these are wise steps. Yes. Thank you, Jill. You're welcome. Have a good one. Bye-bye.